Hi, welcome folks. Let's try to learn how to record our test cases or test scripts while they are under execution. So for us to be able to understand it better, I have a plan to record this video in two parts. The first part would be to run it manually, that is to record the screen manually. I'll explain you what that means. And in the second part of this video, I'm going to show you how we can record the screen of the Android device programmatically. Now let's try to start and understand how we can do that manually first. So for that, I have already connected my device, my Android device. It's a Samsung S4 Galaxy, and let me try to share it so that everything is very clear to you. Let me try to launch the team viewer. I have already launched the team viewer quick support app on my Android device, and I'm going to give the ID. So it's 507-326-575. Click on connect the partner and you'll get a pop-up on your Android device. Just click on allow and you should be able to see this screen coming up. So just maximize it and let me minimize this one. Fine. So hope that is still clear, right? So now if I say ADB devices, I should be able to see that this device is already attached. So I can do anything now, right? So now let's try to record the screen. Okay, so what I mean by recording the screen is that I'm going to click on these apps. I'm going to click on the Cell Android app. I'm going to do all sorts of things. Okay, now let me try to close all the background apps for this test. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going inside ADB shell, so that I just wanted to show you the available tools inside the ADB shell. So one of the tools that you can take advantage of is the screen record. There are three such options that are available for your screen cap to take the screenshot, and screenshot is also for the same. Screen record is the utility that you can use to record the screen. So we are going to use that. Now, the way that we can record is that now let's try to see first what are the options that are available. Okay, inside this tool, the screen recorder. For that, give screen record and give tech help. Okay, please make sure that you are inside the ADB shell to be able to see all the options that are available inside the screen record. Just press enter and these are the 6 available options. This one you can ignore. Verbose is if you are running this from either terminal or from your IDE, either Eclipse, IntelliJ or NetBeans, whatever, right? And if you want to rotate your device, you can do it with the help of this. But what we are going to do is that I'll say screen record. Okay, and I'm going to take this option, that is time hyphen limit. So I'm going to type that time hyphen limit. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not time hyphen limit, it is the bit hyphen rate. Bit hyphen rate helps you to get you know very high resolution, right? By default it is 4 Mbps, and I have observed that it's of not a very great quality. So I'm going to go for 8 Mbps, so 8 followed by 6 zeros, right? And then the path where actually your recording should be stored. And remember that this is the file name that you have to give here is of your device, not of your machine, not on of this Mac machine. It should be of your Android device. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the help of the SD card. Okay, inside SD card I have a folder called movies, and make sure that you have to specify the name of the file. So I'm going to give 10.mp4. Okay, just some random name and press enter. Okay, you'll get some warnings, you can just ignore that. Now let me try to launch. What happened to this? I think I have closed everything. Just give me a second, let me try to launch. um, Now all the things that I am currently doing will are going to be recorded. Okay, so right, so connect to the partner. I should get a prompt allow. Okay, and let me open this, minimize this. Now let me try to do something. Okay, I'm trying to launch the Cell Android app, and I'm going to click just some heli. I'm a little bored with hello. Okay, so clicking on the show progress bar, and it will wait for a couple of minutes to complete that. And after that is complete, I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to clean the background process that are running, and then I'm going to end this process. So for that, press Ctrl C, either on the command or on the Mac or the Windows, it should be the same. So we are done with this. Okay, so we are done. So but how can we be sure that it is working? I mean, whether it has been recorded or not, right? So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to see whether that is present inside our SD card and inside our movies folder. Okay, now for that I can just give ls, but to show you exactly whether the time is also matching or not, I am giving -l. Now if you see, it is 2204 that it has been recorded, which is nothing but I think 9-4, right? I'm a little poor at math, so you can do that calculation, right? Now we are done with this. The next thing that we have to do is that we have to uh, bring that file, that is the 10.mp4 file, from my device, that is my mobile device, onto the machine, right? Onto my Mac machine in this case. So for that, I'm going to come out of this shell, that is the ADB shell, and I'm going to use take help of ADB pull, and I need to give the path here, that is SD card movies, and inside this I have 10.mp4, and after that the next parameter or the next argument that should be supplied is where you have to, where you want to bring it on your desktop. So in this case I want to bring it onto this. Okay, and I have to give the name. So instead of giving 10, let me give 11.mp4. Okay, just some random, and you see that it's already in progress. Make sure that you do not open that right away, because it will show you the progress of how many bits of data has been transferred. Now it shows that very clearly it has transferred almost close to 5 Mbps. Now if you open this file and play on this, see that everything that we have done, it shows everything that we have done, right? This was what I was trying to do, and yeah, that was what we have done. So this is all about this, guys. Very straightforward. This option is available for you to use manually. If this is all that you need, then please go ahead and use this, and let me know how it has worked and if any problems that you have faced. And in the next in the next video would be a continuation of this particular section of how to launch, how to do all the things that we have done right now manually in a programmatical way. And thank you very much for watching the video. Please leave your feedback or any questions that you have. Thanks again for watching the video.